Guys, we are going to understand something more about the .java files. Like we have written the first Java code there, and we will create multiple files, and how we are going to perform operations and all we are going to see. Right, today we will be completely discussing about the node points here. So what is the first point here? First point is saying that if our class is public, then our file must be same as the class name. So like here there is no public, so let me give public here, public class machi. So then when you are saving, you have to save it as machi.java only. Okay, if you save, what will happen if I save differently? We will see that also. See, machi we have created, and you can open the command prompt here, and you can just type the command java c. So what is the file name? machi.java. So this command we have seen. So compilation error is not there. So machi.class file created, then java machi. Okay, see, we are printing the machi as a output. Okay, so here just we have given the class name as it is. Okay, according to this rule we have given the class name as public. So if we didn't save with the class name, we will get an error. But you guys try, why we are not going to why we are we getting the error or not? Okay, I will discuss. Okay, so why we are giving, if public means we have to give class name dot java only, I will discuss in this video. Just you guys test it. Okay, so now I want to create multiple classes. Okay, so now first suppose let me show these also, you guys also try. So let me create a new file, and I'll copy from everything machi, and I'm pasting here. So I'm not giving here public. So when I'm not giving public, and here instead of machi I will give it as, because machi is already there, right? And you are not allowed to give java and all, because while running you may get confusion. So class name you give abc and all something. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm saving it as xyz.java. So does my class name is public, class is public? No, so you can save it with any name. Okay, so if our class is not public, then we can save it with any name. Okay, and very most important thing is, when we compile, we have to use java c. The command I give here, we calculate bold java c file name dot java you need to give. And when we are running, we have to use java class name. Okay, it is very important, guys. Okay, so let us see that. Now what I did here, the practical code we are going to see. So I have given the class name as abc, and you can print whatever you want, it's your wish. My wish, I am printing my wish. What is my wish? My wish is my wish. Haha, right? So now I saved this with xyz. See, xyz.java I have saved. Right, when I compile it, I need to compile. So let me clear the screen. So I'm compiling java c. So what is the file name here? See, the command you need to remember here, it is very important. File name dot java. What is the file name here? Machi. So machi dot java. So if you see, oh sorry, it's machi, not it's xyz, right? My mistake. So let me clear the screen once again. Okay, so java c xy, so file name is xyz.java. So I'll be giving enter. See, compilation done. Once the compilation done, if you see, there is a class file created with the class name abc.class. If you observe here, my class name is abc, and it is created with class name abc. Okay, that is why I am telling that please try to store with the class name itself so that it is easier to recognize. So like when you are running, you can't give Java XYZ. Could not, because while you are running, what is the command here? Java class name. So you have to provide Java and then class name. What is the class name? ABC, case sensitive. Press enter. See, my wish is my wish. Printing. Got it. Hope you got it. Right. And when it is public, you must need to save it as a public with the class name only. That is the rule. Okay, that is the rule. You must have to remember. And there is one more note point. In a single file, we can create multiple classes. Okay, but I am not going to show these as of now. Okay, but we can create. In future classes, we will be seeing these and all. Okay, if I started showing these and all, you will get a lot of confusion and you will feel like Java is difficult, and also Java is easier, but order wise, if you understand, it will be very easier. So, and in a single file, we can create multiple classes. Again, I'm writing the same thing. No, but only one public class should be there. Okay, you can create multiple classes. Like I have created one class here. Like this, I can create copy paste. I can create one more class. I can create one more class, but different class names you have to provide. Same class name means while you're compiling, dot class file is generating, at that time confusion will happen. So better give different names. If you give the same name, it will give you the error. You can create multiple classes in a single file. So you see, in single file I have created. Okay, but which one it will run? That's a matter. So that will be depends on the runtime. Okay, like if you compile this, so totally 1 2 3 4 dot class file will be generated. You're going to give the class name, right? According to the class name, it is going to execute. And it's better you have to give something different here. So it's better to give capital, but it is not mandatory. So I will give it as UIO. MIK. Mike. And if you see, I am saving this. You can save it with any name. Okay. So here it is taking like Mike, and instead of Mike, I'll give like save as hello.java. You can give any name. Okay, when I compile, it will compile the entire file. If you miss one semicolon here, then we will get being the error here. Okay, so now hello is there. So why do we require Mike? We will be just using hello. So let me open the CMD. So while compiling, what is the code here? javac, that is command, javac file name. So what is the file name here? You are not allowed to give here what mic.java, because the file name is hello. So while compiling, hello.java. So compilation done. If you observe here, all the class files created, jkl, lkj, mic. So compilation done means bytecode will be generated, the dot class file. Each class will be having each dot class file. So now I want to run Java jkl. So jkl printing. So see, jkl printing. I want to print lkj. I want to run lkj. So I will give Java and the class name is lkj. See, lkj. So I want to print, I want to execute uio class. So I will be giving Java uio. Uio is printing. And what I said here, in a single Java file, we can be having multiple classes. So we have seen and we have executed. So when we are creating a public class, the public class should be only one. Only one public class must be there. Okay, if you want to create a public class, only one public class should be there. And if you have given public, the file name should be same as the class name, public file name. So now if I am giving these as a public, the file name should be jkl.java only. You are not allowed to give hello.java. That is the rule. Okay, so I hope you got it here. So keep practicing here like this, like create multiple classes and give one public class, save it with the same name with .java, compile and run, and give it different name, compile and run. So when you are compiling, at that time itself it will tell when the class name is public, file name also should be public here. So I hope you guys got it. So whatever we understood, it is about the files and the classes as of now. Okay, this is a small intro. Okay, you can create multiple classes in a single file. So we will not get the situation much. Okay, very rarely we are going to use these situations and all, but as of now, just for the practice, you can go with it. In future, once we started object oriented programming frameworks and all, at that time we may use like this. Again, there I am going to revise this and all, no worries. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next video. So until then, keep subscribing, keep supporting me. Bye bye.